small tires in the back?
Very small. They're like skinny, like really skinny. They should have something painted on them that says I identify as skinny.
It's always cool when people have like the books of like what was done and stuff, and how, you know, how much work they put into the car. Did he really have the? Please tell me he has the burnout, the first burnout of this car in here. Did I see that correctly?
I don't. So
That's cool.
he might. I don't know. He lays it out every time out of here.